Item number 2 is to consider approving an agreement between Mesa County and Innovative Textiles Incorporated concerning business personal property tax incentive payments and authorize the chair to sign. And we have David Schwenke with us this morning, who's going to present this item. Morning, David.
Morning, Commissioners. As you said, my name is David Schwenke. I'm an assistant county attorney. Before you is a request by Innovative Textiles to take advantage of a business personal property tax incentive payment. Under state law, counties can offer a business personal property tax incentive payment to employers who invest $1 million or more in business personal property, so long as that business personal property creates at least one full-time position. The effect of the incentive payment is that it essentially zeroes out the business personal property tax obligation for that new equipment. The spirit behind the law is to give counties the ability to incentivize businesses to expand and create new jobs. My understanding is that Innovative Textiles has purchased over $1.2 million worth of new equipment. The agreement that they have signed indicates that this new equipment has led directly to the creation of a new job. They've signed this proposed agreement certifying that they have complied with all of the legal requirements to receive that incentive. I know that I believe Ms. Carnahan from the Chamber of Commerce and Mr. Crowland from Innovative Textiles are here and may want to speak with you at the end of my presentation. But that said, if the board has any questions about this agreement or this program, please let me know.
Thank you, Mr. Schwenke. Any comments for Mr. Schwenke?
I don't.
Thank you.
Good morning, Commissioners. My name is Conrad Crowland, and I'm the president at Innovative Textiles. And we are here to ask for a business property tax abatement on 2 central pieces of equipment that's going to help us be competitive. One is a packaging machine, and the other is a twisting frame. In the late 1980s, GJEP and I believe it was the predecessor IDI set off a series of events by enticing a California company to come here that would ultimately make Grand Junction the leading city for fishing line production in the United States and possibly the world. 35 years later, manufacture of fishing lines is still an important contributor to the county's economic success. I am extremely grateful to both our Chamber of Commerce, led by Ms. Carnahan, as well as the Mesa County Commissioners for reviewing our request for relief from business personal property tax, which adds a significant strain on the tax burden of businesses. I would also like to recognize the efforts of both the Chamber as well as the County Attorney in modifying this agreement. This allowed our rebate request for these long lead time custom machines to bridge 2 years, although the actual time period for capitalization was within 6 months. Okay, so this investment, right, both the packaging machine and the twisting frame are going to make us more cost effective on the global stage by reducing scrap and improving efficiency. We will continue to train and upskill our employees as we introduce new high-tech equipment. This will allow ITI to provide higher skill, higher paying opportunities to the more than 150 families that currently rely on us for employment. We pride ourselves in employing candidates with barriers whenever possible. For example, we have had successes by hiring employees through community corrections, and we currently have 2 graduates sitting on our supervisory staff. We've employed interns through CMU, apprentices through CareerWise, and we're currently partnering with Strive, employing intellectually and developmentally disabled part-time employees. Since our founding in 1992, we've helped thousands of individuals and their families who are members of our community. Our roots in Mesa County are firmly established. We buy cars and homes, we shop at our stores, and we eat at our restaurants. We bring in revenues from all over the world, creating a multiplying effect for Grand Junction and Mesa County. I'm proud to call Mesa County home. Thank you to the county commissioners for considering our application for tax relief and helping to keep Mesa County competitive. So thank you.
Good morning, Commissioners. Candace Carnahan, President and CEO at the Grand Junction Chamber of Commerce. Mr. Schwenke mentioned that this opportunity is something that the state allows counties to do, but I can tell you not all counties allow it to happen. And so first of all, I want to start off with gratitude that Mesa County recognizes the importance of investing in our existing business community. Oftentimes there are incentives out there for new businesses coming in, but it is so vital to invest in the businesses who have a proven track record of being good neighbors, good supporters of our kids' track and sports teams, supporters of out-of-the-box thinking for our workforce, like Conrad just mentioned here, whether it is Strive or community corrections, apprenticeships, our future workforce. So what you're hearing today is a request to continue to invest in a company that continues to invest in our community. And you couldn't ask for a better candidate. When we're talking about economic development, we constantly talk about multipliers and revenue that keeps our economy vibrant. The dollars pulled in from the world stage that Innovative constantly serves comes into our community and creates opportunity for every citizen that lives here, quality of life, and opportunity of wages. Their average wage being around $60,000 is well above the primary job threshold that we relatively talk about that helps drive our economic success. And so we ask that you consider this request, knowing that it is an investment that comes back to you way more than tenfold, and they will continue to invest in our community. So again, with gratitude, we thank you for the opportunity to even be able to make requests like this and for your continued commitment to our existing business community. And we urge that you support Innovative Textiles and their request for this business personal property tax rebate. Thank you for your time this morning.
Thank you. David, I have one question for you. Do we exempt the business personal property tax just for the county, or are we exempting it for all entities?
So unfortunately, it's just for county
Okay,
payments.
that's what I thought. I just couldn't remember.
Yes.
Can we do it for all the other entities?
We
You
wish.
have to ask them, but.
All right. Right. Any more questions from the board?
I don't.
Commissioner Daniel?
I don't.
I'm going to open it up to the public, see if there's any public comment on this item. Seeing none, I will close the public portion of this item and bring it back to the board and entertain a motion.
I would just add that I really love that they hire people from community corrections and Strive, folks that really need a second chance. So thank you for doing that. And with that, I will make a motion to approve this request as entered into the record.
I just wanted to make a comment. I'm just really grateful that we have this opportunity to invest in a really meaningful way. I think this is a really exceptional return on investment and economic development in real time with a partner that is really community oriented. And I think it really gives dividends to our community in twofold. I mean, it's exceptional. So thank you for bringing this forward to us. And I will second that motion.
Great. And I'll just add as well, and Candace, you put it very eloquently, but I love investing in our local businesses that are already here, that already have a proven track record, because oftentimes it's just the new shiny things that get investment in our community. So Conrad, thank you for all you do, and thank you for the presentation this morning. And I've got a motion and a second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.